Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install remote PC in your MacBook so we can access your laptop. First of all, you need to go to a web browser. As you can see, Safari right down here. Once it's opened, you need to go to this website. Once this is opened, you need to click on download host under Mac and then click on allow and it will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, click here and then double click on this remote PC attended. Once it is opened, you can close the browser and then double click on this and then click open and it will open. As it opens, this kind of interface will pop up and then you can close this and minimize this one and then open system preferences. Once it is opened, you need to click this lock icon down here and then input your password, the password that you use when you turn your Mac on. Click unlock and then check this small box and you can scroll down and click on this accessibility and check this box again. Then you can close it and from down here you can click this one, remote PC attended, and then you will have to share this code with us and we will be able to connect with you.